Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Vivo phone. Sign into Google and confirm a steady Wi-Fi or mobile connection so voice models can download. Open the Google app and grant microphone, location, and background activity permissions. These let the assistant listen and run when the screen is off. Next, set your device language to match your voice. This reduces recognition errors. Once done, we move into voice match and hot word training to teach OK Google to your voice. Now configure voice match step by step. Open Google app, tap More, go to Settings, right arrow voice match. Tap Hey Google and follow the 3 short spoken prompts. Speak naturally so the model captures your cadence. Make sure Unlock with Voice Match or Lock Screen Access is enabled only if you accept security trade-offs. Enabling it allows queries when locked. Also verify OK Google detection is set to always on rather than finish by testing the hot word. Say OK Google and ask a simple question like the time. If it misses, rerun voice match training, repeat the prompts in a quiet room and at natural volume. Make sure Google App and Play services are updated, then reboot the phone to apply changes. Key troubleshooting tip. If persistent false negatives occur, clear Google App Cache, update the app, and retrain voice match. This often fixes corrupted model audio or outdated resources.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.